Hey, it's Danielle. Welcome to the free video. So this week we're going to dive deeper into earnings. There's quite a bit of tickers that are coming up, a lot of which I think are probably set up for some failure, but I wanted to point out one that I actually really like. So last quarter, Tractor Supply, it reported earnings, and as you can see, there was this big downfall right here. Now, what was really crazy about that is their report was actually pretty good. They had beat earnings by quite a good margin. And they also have just recently increased their dividend quite substantially. It's 92 cents now. It used to be 52 cents. And what I wanted to point out was last quarter, right around that time, I mean, we really saw the entire market falling apart. We also saw a lot of consumer staples and consumer discretionary stocks just really falling apart. So I'm looking at this and saying, all right, Tractor Supply, they've actually done really well. If you look at it, especially on a longer term basis, like let's just give it 3 years. I mean, look at that chart. How beautiful is that? So they have a daily squeeze. Out of the last 12 quarters, they beat 8 times. They've missed 4 times. They even beat last quarter in the midst of all this craziness. And at this point, I mean, they're only a stone's throw away from breaking up above 215 and moving on to a new high. So I actually like the stock a lot. I'm going to pick up more shares in my long-term investment account. And come earnings, it has a $10 move. It could easily at least retest this area of resistance and ideally break up above it. If it could break up above it, 240, 250 is going to be my next target. I will, of course, obviously note that, there's a lot of resistance here. But the thing is that Tractor Supply, a lot of the products that they have, they are lower priced in nature. I do think that people will shift more towards using this kind of store because of inflation and because of everything else. And so I'm looking for Tractor Supply to be a little bit of a diamond in the rough. So hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more, go ahead and check out my Twitter feed at Trader Danielle. Other than that, hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next time.
Hey traders, it's Danielle here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you will never miss the latest take from our trading experts. Did you know that we provide real-time trade alerts so that you know exactly what we're doing, exactly when we're doing it? Go to www.simplertrading.com to learn more. Good trading, and we'll see you in the next video.